In this short tutorial, I will show you how to show tagged photos on your Instagram profile. Tagged photos are pictures that other users have tagged you in, and they can be a great way to showcase moments with friends or followers. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you see an option called Tags and Mentions. Tap on it. Once you are on this page, you'll see a section called Who Can Tag You. If you have set this to Don't Allow Tags, change it to one of these two options. Allow tags from everyone, which will let everyone tag you. Allow tags from people you follow, which will allow only the people who you follow to tag you in their posts. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.